Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to cover an error message that comes in while using Cucumber tool. So I have been going through multiple blogs and multiple pages, especially in the Stack Overflow page, and I saw this message or the problem that many people face. So I thought of making a video on that. So let's get started. So just to give an idea about my current project, so this is a demo project and it's a very basic project that I'm using to demonstrate this particular error message over here. So we can see the three files or the three main components of Cucumber that is here. The first one is test runner, the feature file and the step definition. So if I go to feature file, you can see a very basic skeleton over here about a particular test that is written, that is, test any application login page, and there are certain conditions over here: the scenario, the given tag, where you are on the login page or the home page, the where you are going to enter the credentials, and then we are going to validate if it is logged in. So this is a very basic, as we all know. And if you go to the step definition page over here, so you can see I have not written any actual Selenium or APM code over here to check the functionality via automation code. So it's just a statement over here, which is a system output over here, that we are going to check it on the console. Okay, and then we have a third part, that is a test run over here, wherein we are going to run that particular test using test runner, and we have provided the feature file path as well as the file for the step definition via glue. So this is a very basic terminologies for those who already know about Cucumber. So we know that this is a very basic skeleton that Cucumber uses. And if you talk about the jars over here, so if I go to the pom.xml over here, so you can see I have a very basic or three dependencies, that is very minimal dependencies that is required to run any Cucumber code. So now let's try to run this particular code and see what exactly the error message is all about. So if I right click on the test runner from here and just try to run it as a JUnit test, so you can see it fails, and there is a error message that comes in over here which says exception in initialize error, and then you can see there is a error details over here that says unable to make field private value field private final, and there is some details over here that is displayed. So even if the same thing we can see in the JUnit logs also, we can see it is the same over there as well. So nothing to worry about. So you can see here, right? So now how exactly to fix this particular issue, right? So this is the main ask over here in this video, right? So if you go in the pom.xml file, so if you see here the dependencies that I'm currently using, so maybe you will not see get the same error message in your test when doing it, or maybe you'll get it. So if in case you get this particular message, you can just fix it with this particular fix that I'm going to provide over here. So you can see here the dependencies over here that is provided is quite old, that is used, that is info.cubes, and the version is 1.2.5, and it is very old. So if you see this, that's where the measure of the issues comes in. So people who are using the old dependencies, they are facing this issue very often nowadays, because people are going to refer certain tutorials and then they follow that and they find out the current issue comes in, right? So for this, there's no much changes over here. So we have to only replace the particular dependencies. So if I go here and if I replace dependencies with the new one that is being supported over here, that is from the io.cucumber group ID over here, you can see it. So this is from the io.cucumber, and the previous was from io.cubes. So, and the version that I'm using is 7.2.2. that is the latest stable version that I'm using on the current date, and that's it. So if you save this, and you will see certain error messages coming here, because the imports will fail because the previous was coming from the older version of the libraries. So now it is coming from the newer version. So for that we have to simply replace that. So I'll just quickly import all of them. So I'll import it from io.cucumber .en and .given, and then same I'll do it for when and then as well. So you can see this is done, and there is one error message coming again over here, that is for the cucumber.class. So there is one import again over here. So I'll just quickly go and import this, and I will place it here. So you can see this is okay. This is not fixed. I'm sorry for that. So this is the one. So I'm just copying it from here, and I will paste it here. So if I save it, you can see the error message has gone from there, and I will do the same over here as well, and I will import this particular dependency, and I will just save it. So you can see now there is no error message coming over here, and now we are good to go. So if I run the same test here, if I run it as JUnit test, and now you can see the execution has been done, and we are getting the error message, or not the error message, the system output correctly that is shown in this particular step definition file that is over here. So this is how we can fix this particular error, and we can just work with this, and we can make our Cucumber test running post that. So if you like this video, please do like, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you. Bye bye.